In this video cheat sheet, I will be configuring the OSPF v3 router process. I will start off with the baseline show command, show IPv6 OSPF, to display the general information about OSPF v3 routing processes. Then I'm going to configure the OSPF v3 router process. Finish with the same baseline command, show IPv6 OSPF, and show running config to see what changed. Let's look at the network topology. I will be configuring the OSPF v3 router process on router 2. Much of the OSPF version 3 is the same as in OSPF version 2. OSPF v3 expands on OSPF version 2 to provide support for IPv6 routing prefixes and the larger size of IPv6 addresses. In OSPF v3, a routing process does not need to be explicitly created. Enabling OSPF v3 on an interface will cause a routing process to be created and its associated configuration. In OSPF v3, each interface must be enabled using commands in interface configuration mode. This feature is different from OSPF version 2, in which interfaces are indirectly enabled using the router configuration mode. I will enter my show command, show IPv6 OSPF, on router 2 to see OSPF v3 status on this router. Unlike OSPF version 2, multiple instances of OSPF v3 can be run on a link. For the OSPF router ID, a router automatically prefers a loopback interface over any other kind, and it chooses the highest IP address among all loopback interfaces. If no loopback interfaces are present, the highest IP address in the router is chosen. From the output of the show command, I can see there is no output. That is because we have not configured anything. I'm going to configure OSPF process 2 on router 2. I will utilize command IPv6 router OSPF 2 in global configuration mode. Now I'm going to enter my show command, show IPv6 OSPF, on router 2. I can see an OSPF v3 process running at router 2, which has an OSPF ID of 2.2.2.2. OSPF v3 has chosen the loopback interface IPv4 address for its router ID. I'm going to utilize command show running config pipe include OSPF v3 to check the configurations. From the output of the show command, I see that there is an OSPF v3 router process created on router 2. In this video cheat sheet, I configured the OSPF v3 router process. I started off with the baseline show command, show IPv6 OSPF, to display general information about OSPF v3 routing processes. Then I configured the OSPF v3 router process. Finished with the same baseline command, show IPv6 OSPF, and show running config to see what changed.